Hello everyone. Today we will be studying about pictograms from the chapter Prescription and its Parts from Community Pharmacy and Management, presented by KG Saraf, lecturer, KK College of Pharmacy, Nasik. So what are pictograms? Pictograms can be defined as the images representing proper ways to take or store medications, precautions or other important information about a medication that a healthcare provider should provide to his or her patient. Means pictograms are the images which represent ways or which directs us or directs the patient how to store the medicine, what precautions need to be taken, or any other important information about the medicine. So information in the form of pictures or the pictorial form of the instructions given to the patient are called as pictograms. Now what are the importance of or benefits of pictograms? First is communicating instructions. Pictograms can help patient understand how to take or store medicine. So it is a way of communication. Instead of giving the instructions in a written format, it is given in the form of pictures, and it is very easy for the patient to understand. So it is a form of communicating instructions. Second benefit is providing warnings. Pictograms can help patient understand precautions and warnings about medication. So whatever important warning or indication which we need to give to the patient, if it is given in the form of pictogram, it will be more beneficial for the patient to understand it. Next benefit is improving adherence. Pictograms can help patients adhere to their medication regimens. So whatever treatment the doctor have suggested in the prescription, whatever instructions are given to the patient, it will be followed as it is if it is explained in the form of pictogram, especially to the people who are illiterate or who are having difficulty in reading, or people who are living in a remote area or very rural area. They are unable to understand or read the language. For them, pictograms can be very helpful to how to administer the medicine. So if it will improve adherence. Next is improving recall. Pictograms can help patient recall information about their medicines, because if any information is given in the form of an image, it is we remember it in a more we remember it more easily. The image is saved in our memory and we are able to recall it, or the patient recalls it very easily instead of a written information. The pictorial information is recalled very easily. So it is one of the benefits of pictogram. Sir, there are some examples given of pictogram. So this example is take 4 times a day with meals and at bedtime. So the picture is shown that the tablet is to be taken 4 times, and there is a picture of meals. So after every meal you have to take the medicine, and the last is about the with meals and at bedtime. The picture of a moon and a star that you have to take at the night. The last dose will be at night. So the pictogram or this pictogram is showing with food, and 4 times it should be taken, the tablet should be taken. So there are some more examples of the pictogram. First is about take by mouth. First picture indicates it is to be taken by mouth or orally. Then second picture indicates read the label carefully. Third picture, take 3 times a day with meals. The picture of a plate and 3 sections, or the 3 times the person is taking the tablet. It means 3 times a day with meals. Next is take with meals. The next, do not store medicine where children can get it. Okay, so children, it is harmful for the children. So do not keep it where the children can take it. Do not drink alcohol while taking this medicine. So the next picture indicates that they have shown the picture of we should avoid alcohol consumption while taking the medicine. Next picture is of take it in the morning. So in the early rising, when you rise, it is shown the picture of a early rising sun and the person is getting up. So take it in the morning. Next is do not store near heat or in sunlight. Okay, so it may be affected by excessive heat or sunlight. So do not store it in that area. Next is poison. If the tablet or the medicine is not to be taken or it contains poisonous substances, this pictogram is used. Next example, there are some examples that take it as a whole. Swallow the tablet completely or whole. Take it as a whole. Do not crush it or do not chew it first. A picture. B picture indicates do not take while driving. C means take with meals, with food. D means do not take with alcohol or any drugs. So these are some of the examples of pictograms which communicate the instructions or important warnings regarding the medications to the patient. The patients can easily understand it and recall it. Thank you.